had your 20 minutes to rehab a shoe. Old Mother Hubbard's shoe is in bad need of assistance. She's moving out. She's moving on to the next house. You were responsible for rehabbing the house for the new potential buyer.
So there's also these awesome random Skoda fish. Flounder just chilling out inside the house.
And it's only for $40,000.
They each had to pick a random shoe out of a box, real shoes, and they had to sell it to Humpty Dumpty or the Little Mermaid or Dave the Minion or Olaf from Frozen, the snowman. And so they had to rehab the house with limited resources. They actually got resources given to them in each different class, or they got to pick a limited number from a box.
Hello, Mr. Olaf. We have fixed up the house of your dreams.
Now here it is. Unlike other shoe homes, this one has two. You heard me, two floors.
They actually had to do a lot of creative problem solving, thinking on their feet, again, using a limited amount of resources, cooperation, teamwork.
House for sale.
Come and buy a Little Mermaid house.
Made especially for the Little Mermaid.
It has a rock, flounder, a toy Little Mermaid, and a treasure chest with pearls. It only costs $2,000.
Should we just put that up?
Sure.
Hey, Mr. Humpty Dumpty, would you like to buy this shoe house? I don't know. What does it have? It has padding so that if you fall down, you won't break in half. It also has a telephone, so if you break your leg again, then you can call the King's Horses and King's Men. Hello. And it has a really comfortable bed. Can I try it? Yes.